Meaning of establish.
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 Establish. The word establish means to set up, found or create something that is likely to last for a long time. When you establish something, you lay its foundation and give it a firm place in the world. It can refer to setting up a business, an organization, or a system that is meant to serve a specific purpose. Establishing something can be a challenging process that requires planning, preparation, and dedication. Once established, the thing in question can become a part of the fabric of society and have a lasting impact on people's lives.